This is what most of the parents are questioning me these days. Yes, they are safe if you follow certain things. It should be prescribed by a doctor. You should purchase it from a standard pharmacy. And you should never repeat your old prescriptions, neither for the same child nor for the sibling. So, in brief, you should not take a cough syrup over the counter. It is not a OTC drug. You need a specialist to see the child either online or physical, prescribe the medicine in that episode of cough and then approve of it. Then definitely cough syrups are safe just like any other medicine. It's not just the cough syrups. Any medicine that you administer your child, you need to do 1, 2, 3. Number 1, it should be prescribed by a qualified pediatrician. Number 2, you should be taking it from a standard pharmacy. Number 3, check the label for expiry date and don't use medication over the counter or from your old prescriptions. The indication might change, the weight of the child might be different, and for all that you know of, you might not be giving the right medicine for the ailment that your child is going through then. So it is always safe to take help, at least online or offline.